Honey, where's the remote control?
I don't know.
Tired of losing the remote?
I don't know where it could be. Looked everywhere.
Well, introducing the new Remote Control 2000 with state-of-the-art wired technology. You'll never lose the remote control again. The secret to the Remote Control 2000 is the wire that so conveniently plugs into the back of any television set. Go ahead, try it out. The Remote Control 2000 works just like any top-of-the-line remote control. Lost the remote again? Let Remote Control 2000 help.
Hey, honey, where's the remote? Wait, never mind. Hold on a second. Let's see. Where is that remote? Found it!
The Remote Control 2000 is color coordinated to fit all of your major components. So, buy one today. So order your Remote Control 2000 today. But wait, we are so confident that you'll love the Remote Control 2000. We're gonna throw in a free pair of scissors. These scissors cut straight through paper. But that's not all. If you call within the next 30 minutes, we're gonna throw in not one, but 2 free ping pong balls. These ping pong balls bounce like no other. But we're not done yet. Order within the next 15 minutes, and we'll send you a free bow to go with it. This high-quality red bow will stick on virtually anything. Call us crazy, but we're also gonna send you a keychain. Call now while supplies last.